Hello guys, welcome to our unboxing video of Samsung A21s, a mid-range offering of Samsung. So, here is the box. So disclaimer lang, bukas na po yung box namin kasi nabuksan po ito sa store mismo. Here's the box. Inside of the box, this first box contains the papers, warranty cards. So here's the phone itself. It says Samsung Galaxy A21s Infinity O display, quadruple camera, and a fingerprint sensor. So let's remove all what the box contains. Here's the pin for opening the side hatch for the SIM card and the memory card. It contains the phone itself, papers for warranty, the charger. So it says it's 5 volts with 2 amperes, so it's not a fast charger, just a regular one. So here's the earphones. It's good that Samsung packed an earphones without earbuds, because I personally hate earbuds. I like those without earbuds like this. So let's go now to the phone itself. So while it is turning on, I'll show you the specifications of Samsung A21s. So as you can see here, it has a tall display. In this phone, you can see that on the left side of the phone, it is the volume rockers and the lock button. On the right side, it has the hatch for the SIM cards and the memory card. And on the top side, here's the microphone. And on the lower side, it has the earphone jack, and the 3.5mm jack. It has a Type-C charging port, and another microphone, and a speaker. So now let's check up on the internals of the phone. So first, let's see the settings. The device care. You can see here the battery. The battery left, the storage available, the memory, RAM, and the security software of the Samsung itself. And you can see it says secure, and it is the antivirus that Samsung are using is the McAfee, and also has the option for ultra data saving. So as you can see, it has 64 gig 6 gig RAM, 64 gig storage, 6 gig RAM. The battery, I have 62%. It says 1 day, 7 hours left. Under the optimized power mode, but I think it would last long if you use it casually. But under heavy gaming, I don't think that this phone would last that well. I will test it soon. So click subscribe if you want to see a full review, and hit the like button if you like this simple unboxing. And that's all I can show for this unboxing. Thank you.